Hi all. In this video, we can learn the cassette units. What are the equipments installed in the cassette units? Here we can see the source in the fans and openable equipment is the filters, and in the small black one is the plasma air. The main features of the plasma air is provides the air purification and simultaneously it improves the occupant health. If you see the filters, it is fixed into the openable unit. The filters can catch the dust, and some type of filters can remove the bacteria and viruses from the air. And the periodical maintenance required for the filters, uh, and some of them is doesn't knows and the filters will not clean, then the air comes from the unit is not good for the health. The indoor unit and outdoor unit is connected to the copper piping, and the communication cable is laid from outdoor unit to indoor all the indoor units. So all the indoor units communication cable is looped, and that cable is goes to the outdoor unit. If in case some clients requires the BMS integration, then we can able to loop the BMS integration to the BMS room or respective locations based on the requirement of the client.